So now let's see how we can write movie script inside of Google Gemini. Let's say, for example, I want to, write a story about a person becoming successful with online education right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, then this is what I have right here. So now what I can do is I can go around over here, and then I'm going to say write this as a movie script right here, just like this. So I can simply go around and tell this at the end right here, write this as a movie script, and press enter. So once I go around and do that, then this is what you have, as you can see. So now it written out a movie script right here. Like, let's say, for example, it says fade in. Emma, in his 30s, frazzled and sleep deprived, hunches over a laptop amidst the morning bustle. Empty coffee cups litter the tables. He scrolls through the endless emails, a look of worry is on her face. Used to be a degree was all you need. Now it's a participation trophy in a race you never signed up for. A montage plays right here. Then you can see that it says this, and at the end right here, then you can see that it says, turns out the best education isn't always found in classroom. Sometimes all you need is the courage to learn and the passion to share it with others right here, just like this. So this is what you have, and based on like what you ask it to do, it actually written out the script right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and write out movie scripts inside of Gemini and generate out contents that way as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.